why fault? And why fault? Edufudepe greed. Enti na yabedu baby edu. Mama yentie enkomo kakra course wo omo some of the victims of this disaster no. Mama yentie kakra ye ba ye de enkomo no beto aso.
So I was here in August. We came to do a project, and when we got here, we saw. I had never seen with my own eyes the sea eating away land like I saw here, and I was, broken to see the kind of life they were living as a result of that. So I told them I would come back, but they said that the president had come here and had promised them that he was going to do something about it, dredge the sea so that they can save or protect the land from further destruction. And all of this is as a result of climate change. I was there, I was preparing for a show in Sunyani, and I had a call that the people we visited, the new friends we have, all their homes have been taken in this short time by the sea again. So I quickly organized my friends and said, let's come and visit them before we head to Sunyani. And so I'm here, there. And when we met him, he told us a lot of stories about his life here. I'm gonna let him speak and listen to his story. Listen to the story of these people, listen to the story of this community and what has happened to them. And let's all see and learn. Please, your name and who you are in this community.
My name is Togbe Emmanuel Anumutete, a chief fisherman in the community and the second eldest person in the community, as well as a stool father in the community. I can say the problem being caused by the tidal wave in our community started way back. It was coming small. We thought it will go back. Sometimes it goes back, but the distance it gone back, it will double the distance coming forward. That is how it was moving.
So like 2-3 steps forward, 1 step back.
That is what exactly we were experiencing from about 12 to many years now. Yeah, between 12 and 13 years now. Along here, we have a lot of houses. We can be proud, let me be proud, to say this community, we build a lot of houses here. And my house alone occupy we can occupy over 100 people.
Your house?
My house alone. And even when I build for my wife separately. But where I stay,
so if I understand you, your house could accommodate 100 people.
Yeah, sure.
And you had another house for your wife.
My wife and my in-law.
And your in-law.
Yeah.
Your mother's family.
Yes, sure. So it started, and my junior brothers, all the two are pastors.
Yes.
My 2 junior brothers are all pastors.
Yes, I met him.
They also build houses, very big houses, mighty houses. So the sea came and took their house first, and they all migrated to my area, and we were all with their children. We were all in the house. All of a sudden, the sea started eating the lineup, small, and he came and caught us. About 2-3 months ago in Aga, when you came, we have some houses again.
Yes, I saw it.
Yeah, where we.
I have videos of it.
Exactly, where we can lay our heads. But within a week, that was September, October. Oh, come and see. All the houses gone. Every house along here, all gone. And you know our occupation here.
Yeah.
You see, I'm a sailor by profession, a sea captain, a sailor, a sea captain by profession.
Not a fisherman.
Not a fisherman, a sea captain. I can captain every pilot, any ship in the whole world. I was trained in South Africa, in Cape Town, precisely. That's my occupation. But I have a fishing net.
Okay.
The largest fishing net in the community, which about 60 to 70 people were helping me doing the fishing. You know what happened? Because of the broken houses in the sea,
yeah,
we don't go to fishing anymore.
Yes.
There are some lot of about 10 other fishing nets here. They were all broken down by the sea, because the sea will come in the night. You won't be prepared. The sea will come and tear the nets apart. You see?
Unfortunately, Ebreko, inti yentumi bought the full interview, but interview ni na ewo Judge Louis Lamis ni page. Assign what Max TV page, YouTube, Facebook. Mama yanku tie the continuation of that story. I was seeing guye nyina o studio ha. Say pensioner ebe bo ne brain nyina wo poso. Apeska befie. Abesi japade ma ne busua na wanye selfish. Asan de bi ahwe ni community. Now one day obe sorry. Everything submerged into the sea. When you pin, what's here? He had the biggest fishing net. I employ over 70 people.
Over 70.
Or more daily bread. And they had families. So all those families have been displaced. Now, when you are akoso, I'm a community folks ne are aware. DC is aware. Assemblymen are aware. Ahemfwe are aware. He had to take one Judge Louis Lamis to go and take a photo shoot and a video of this. Aren't we ashamed of ourselves, Ghana? I'm sad. I'm very saddened. I'm very sad. Some painful transit. Now, the lives of innocent people are being whisked away by tidal waves and currents. I hope. I don't know where help is going to come from. The clock started ticking. They could have raised awareness for help to come. Community for no. Ya transiama ni nyina hwere. Ama nipa ay displaced. Now, ye could dani armed robbers ebura highway no so. Ni ebejeji escafo ni sika monte ase. These are the result of some of these things.
Now, tent ni mo moda. The tent will be about families where trade no more tent back home.
Ajunbia to akwala no.
Wow.
I saw that next one moda. This is the temple and now shelter now one so na a che lagoon. It is a one night and so no cross road no never lagoon no more. Another problem.
That's the end.
Then the whole place will be flooded. And this is the Ketu South. So the first one was Fuvomen, which is in the Anglo
side. Okay.
So it is around the tidal waves. Yes, coastal areas now are in trouble, and they are their first line of defense.
Omanpei, show we so there any politics.
Look at that.
And I
yes,
The whole town no need.
Yenye politics was in America, but your lifestyle. to help develop our towns and our communities. Enti oman Ghana epo no na da benkum so no na ye lagoon ne ye rivers no na da right no e kura wo ho a ejinipa nkwa na egu ho no aka kete
defense come na
epo no akata kro ni nyina so na nipa ko properties ko emoa enuane ene enobaye ni nyina ko a road na kete na bomowie da ko ba ye be sorry na cars bi align na abo wa ho mache epo ne be fa cars ni nyina abeswipi nipa na omada ni nyina Judge
will be helpless.
Nyamisha,
amen.
It had to take you to take this bold decision to bring these pictures out.